So it says here, if the blade stops in the lock on mode, unplug the magic bullet immediately. Never place hands or utensils near the blade. Alright, so I unplug it because this thing was smoking. Alright, I can smell it right now. It's unplugged. They are smoking, so I just put the bananas, berries, and I put milk on it. So I had to unplug because they were smoking. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna plug it back in and see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it back in and let me know what's going on in here. And right now it's not working. I emptied some of the milk out and took the chunk of the mangoes, and guys, they are not working no more. I think I burnt the motor. I don't know if this is a factory defect or I just put too much on it. Let me know. Let me unplug this.